Hello and welcome to our quarter one final buzz of the quarter. We're so excited. It seems like just yesterday we established our hive and now we are halfway through. We're going to miss the baby so much. We were talking about that the other day, but we know that once you're in the hive, you're always a member of the hive. So we need to make sure that we're finishing strong in quarter one and getting ready for quarter two. And part of that getting ready goes back to the What's the Buzz for this week, October the 29th through November the 2nd. Boo! This Halloween is Wednesday and it is a school day. It is no longer a teacher work day. And it is also due day in the hive. Our vocabulary workshop study aids for SAT, ACT words. Now we have 9 units that we've covered so far in our vocabulary, but I'm only checking 4 vocabulary workshop study aids. If you have a question about that, please see me on Monday or go to Google Classroom for our vocabulary workshop options. It's where you could do note cards, people made their own Quizlets. So whatever you're doing to study for your vocabulary, that's what we're going to be looking at on Wednesday. Also on Wednesday, we're going to have our interactive student notebook check. If you have a question about that, if you go to Google Classroom, our interactive notebook student check is right here. It tells you what we'll be checking. We're going to be checking the Grammar Basics Practice Packet, sections Q through U on comma, TED Talk, our TED Talk guided notes on the danger of a single story, the invocation closed reading that was given back to every student who turned one in. So if you didn't turn it in, you can still get credit for it on your notebook check. And our Odyssey viewing guide up to number 30 because we didn't finish the film in class. It was finished after school. And the Skills Station check-in from Thursday and Friday. Okay? Awesome sauce. The other thing is I want to remind everyone that our quarter ends Wednesday, October the 31st. Please make sure if you need any additional support on your performance assessment or if you did not do well in your performance assessment, you have until Wednesday to get that done. But I don't anticipate we're going to be spending 2 days getting that done. I'm hoping that it will all be gravy and mashed potatoes. Don't forget that honors level credit assignments are also due on the 31st. Just share those Google Sites with me and you'll be ready and rocking and go. So what are we going to do this week? Our last week in the hive for quarter one. Well, on Monday and Tuesday, we're going to do our Unit 2 performance assessment, which will be a poetry analysis. And that's based on we did not get the grades that we really wanted on the poetry analysis in our mid-assessment in Unit 1. And since we've had a little bit more water under the bridge, I want to try it again because understanding and analyzing poetry, while not their favorite, is very important. Also on Monday, students were they took their mid-assessment on Wednesday and Thursday, and they got them back the next day. And anyone who made a 59 or below can do corrections. I call it buzz back. So the mid-assessment buzz backs are due on Monday. So we're going to give them opportunity for all major assignments. You can do buzz back. So that's always a good thing. So we're going to start our Unit 2 performance assessment in class on Monday. We're going to work on it Monday and Tuesday in class, and it is due at the end of class on Tuesday. And we're going to do part of it together. They're going to do some parts alone to just hone in on that identifying literary devices, paraphrasing, and writing effective sentences and literary analysis. So I'm very excited about that. On Wednesday, we're going to do a formative assessment to sort of assess to see where our skill set is thus far in our quarter, in our semester. And I'll be checking vocabulary workshops and their notebooks. We're going to start into Unit 3, which is Conformity and Rebellion on Thursday. I'm going to read The Lottery by Shirley Jackson. And we'll have our Vocabulary 10 quiz on Friday. Also on Monday, the Common Lit, Tinker versus Des Moines, is due. And we talked to the kids last week and said going into November, we're going to have Common Lit twice a week. And the benefit of Common Lit that we've identified is the state test, not just our North Carolina final exam, but the end of course tests are all online. And we want our students to be familiar, not just familiar, but at ease with answering questions and doing things on the computer. and want to help them with it. It's not just, answering those lower end questions. These are high order questions that will help them when they get ready to go to their AP and honors level courses in the future. We're always thinking ahead. Like I tell the kids, you need to think past that next Snapchat story for where you want to be this time in 3 years. So we look forward to seeing everybody on Monday. I want to show you what's going on Google Classroom. So the notebook check is on there. See that? And our Greek and Latin root vocabulary words for the month of November in Unit 3. You have 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. Now I'll add 13. Thanks for that quick check. I look forward to seeing everybody, and we are going to have a great week. We're going to finish our quarter strong and start with our right mind on Monday. Have a great day, darlings. Bye-bye.